Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Aisha Marketing Wali, and I'm the student of Rehan School Online Academy. And welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with you to sharing a very inspiring TEDx talk review by Nabil Kadir. This talk is especially valuable for anyone who is interested in innovation, startups, and turning ideas into action. In this review, we will explain the main idea of the talk, introduce the speaker, discuss what he said, share my own review and opinion. So let's start. First of all, the central topic of this talk is what makes a hero's idea. According to Nabil, a hero's idea is not just a creative thought or an interesting concept. It is an idea that solves a real problem, creates value of people, and was the to bring positive change to society. This topic is very important because many people have ideas every day, but only a few of will transform those ideas into meaningful action. The talk encourage viewers to think imagination and focus on practical life. So Nabil is prominent. The topic is he is the supporter of Pakistan startup ecosystem. He was worked with more than 1200 founders, so which give us practical experience in understanding what make a startup successful. He is the driving force behind the idea Quran, the Pakistan's first business reality show, where inspiring talk or shows present their ideas to investors. This platform help us connect ideas and funding opportunities. So, in this talk, Nabil shares insight from his year of working with and startups. He explained that successful ideas will have several important qualities. It should solve a real problem, a strong idea address a challenge that people face in their life. It should be back the innovation. Having an idea is not enough. We need hard work, positive energy, and to bring that idea to life. So Nabil also the importance of investment and support for starters. He explained that many promises startup fails when they not assessed to complete. So I found this TEDx talk very inspiring and informative. One of the strongest aspects of the talk is Nabil Kadir speak from real world experience. His insight are based on his direct involvements, and one interesting point to consider is can change communications. When a startup success, it can create jobs, provide useful products or service, and inspire other people to pressure their own ideas. This create a chain reaction of innovation and growth. For students, this means that even small idea can have a big impact if they are developed with dedication and creativity. So I think, in my opinion, this talk is especially valuable for students and young people. It teaches us that innovation does not require a perfect idea from the beginning. What matter most identify a problem, working on a solution, and being willing to learn from mistakes. So, and I also think he talk gives a positive message about Pakistan. With the right sport mindset, young can create a business that not only benefit themselves but also contribute to the country's growth. So overall, Nabil Kadir TEDx talk is an inspiring reminder that create idea have a power to create positive change. They support by action and determination. And if you enjoyed this review, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in comments. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.